Okay, starting with foundation, and foundation is from Maybelline Fit Me in shade tan, and I'm gonna apply it with my finger to spread it out all over my face, then buffing it with a flat top kabuki brush from PAC. This will give a flawless base to my skin. Way of blending foundation is the major key to get a flawless base. Always use a pressing motion or dabbing motion. Never ever brush your face like a sweeping motion to blend your foundation. This will give a stroke of brushes and this will not look good. As for today's tutorial, I didn't color correct my face to hide any hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So the dark spots is peeking from my foundation. So to cover it up, I'm gonna use a concealer which is close match to my skin tone. The concealer I use is from Swiss Beauty in shade 01, exact color tone of my skin. So it will cover up my hyperpigmentation as well as the dark spot which is peeking out. For under eye brightening my face, the concealer I used is from Maybelline, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone, to brighten up my face as well as to bring forward to my face and look awake. And the shade name is Deep, and I'm gonna blend it with the PAC 219 brush. Exact same buffing motion or pressing motion to give a more coverage to my skin. Before getting to the eye makeup look, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows to get a shape. Using a same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use a black shadow to fill my eyebrows. My eyebrow technique is a bit different than usual eyebrow filling method. I usually brush my eyebrow downward to get a idea where my exact eyebrow ends or start. I start filling up with upper portion of hair follicle ends to get the most natural looking finish for my eyebrow. Filling from the center of eyebrow to the tail and then moving to the starting part of my eyebrow, and at last giving a quick brush to its natural direction. Setting my brow with a mascara that is over. It is from Swiss Beauty. You can use a brow wax or brow gel to set your eyebrow in a place. This is a makeup hack, you can try it out and it works well. And for the fun major part of this look is the eye makeup look. So I am using a concealer which is way too lighter than my skin tone. You can say 4 stage lighter than my skin tone, because the color I'm gonna use is a yellow orange tone of shadow, which I want to get pop up when I apply on my eyelid. So for popping up that color, I use the lighter color for the eye base. And the concealer is from Color Bar in shade Velvet, and the same pack brush I'm using to blend over my eyelid. To set the concealer in place to prevent it from creasing, slightly dust off with the loose setting powder to set the concealer. First shadow I picked is orange color. Using a small blending brush, I am packing it to my inner corner of my eyelid. For today's eye makeup, I'm gonna apply all my shadow up to the eyebrow. Then picking lighter shade, which is a yellow shade, applying it after the orange eyeshadow in the center of my eyelid, and blend both the shadow. There should not be any harsh line or a differentiated line in between the colors. At last, pastel yellow color, apply it outer corner of the eyelid. For this eye makeup, I'm gonna do a graphic liner using Rimmel London liquid liner. It has a thin fine brush. This will help me to get a fine line of liner. As you can see, I draw a thinnest wing from the edge of my eye and then joining it from the fold that I have on my eyelid. For lower waterline, I used a brown pencil or kohl pencil. And smudging that brown kohl with a brown shadow using a flat angular brush. Let me complete the rest of the base makeup and show you the final result. And this is the final look, guys. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please give a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.